Since I teach that, therefore, one I have shown from physics. Gears. Gears is from physics, school physics. So now I will show one more. Okay. So you see that, and then you can. Few of you have prepared. The others also can do. If I show this example, so for all of you, it will be easy. Okay. Now we go for the visual thinking strategy. So I have taken it from NCERT syllabus, Standard 9, title Structure of an Atom, Chapter 4, page 40. So this much information is needed to give a image. Okay. So now here it goes like this. See, this is after John Dalton's atom model. So the atom model starts from John Dalton in Western sciences. So John Dalton. After that, they have done an Rutherford has done an experiment. He passed these green colors are alpha rays. What are alpha rays? Alpha rays are helium 2 plus. So positive charge. So this one is, what is this one? Gold foil, atoms of gold. So atoms of gold. So we have our Rutherford's. This is Rutherford's experiment. Ernest Rutherford. What is the name of the experiment? Yes, gold foil experiments. Rutherford's gold foil experiments. We have the alpha. He has passed the alpha rays, and this is the results. Okay. Now we have to say the structure of the atom based on this experiment. What will be the structure of the atom? Now you say the structure based on this image. There is a hole. There is a hole. Another word for hole is what is now you said space. So there is much empty space. There is much empty space in the atom. Since the space is empty, you can, since the space is empty, the helium, this particle passes through, the alpha particles. This alpha particle passes through. Okay. And what other you see apart from passing through? So this one and this one. Few rays are getting deflected, and one ray, you can see, this deflection angle is 180, which means that if a positive ray is deflected by 180, if a positive ray, it goes and comes back. It goes and comes back, which means that this is positive ray. How a positive ray will turn back? By another positive ray. Therefore here at this point there may be a positive. So there may be a positive place. Okay. So so based on this only Rutherford said at the center you have a positive at center. So you have a positive charge and that is named as neutron. Hmm? Not proton. Nucleus. This is named as nucleus. Neutrons discovered later. After this, there are many years gap between this and that. So as you see, the positive rays are passing through in many places. Therefore, those spaces are empty. It is an empty space, and here it is also getting deflected. Here it is 180. Therefore, this at the center there may be a positive charge, and that positive is named as nucleus. Here only they are giving name nucleus. The center part of atom is. So I will show what is in the book. So in the book, they have put it at every place. At the center they have put a dot. In the book it was there. I didn't put here. Why I didn't put here? This one I didn't put. But in the book they have given like that only. That the diagram contains dot at every center part of the circle. But I removed. I didn't show here. What is the reason? Huh? Huh? Actually, the nucleus is coming after the experiment only. We are naming the center part after the experiment, not before the experiment. Therefore, no need to give. No need to give in the beginning, because this center part comes after this experiment. This is the finding of the experiment. So we need not give at the beginning of the experiment. Okay, when you draw a new diagram, then you can give. So atom means, so center part nucleus. It is circle, center is nucleus. This is resultant of this experiment. Hence I have not given the center points, because we do not know. We do not know at the beginning of the experiment nucleus lies here. After the experiment only we know. Therefore that correction I made.